In this lesson, I will explain to you how we can use unpivot columns in our data. So see, this is our data and still we are in the query mode. These are the three columns: population male, population female, and this is the total population. Actually, we do not want this column because this is the redundant information. If we add male and female, definitely we have the third column, so we do not want it. So how you can remove it? Right click, remove. Other option is go to the home tab and remove column. So now we have population male and population female. Now actually what is our requirement? Our requirement is that we want to make one column, gender column, in which male and female data should be here and the values should be here. So we will start from population male. Select this column, go to the transform tab, and this is the unpivot column, which is the focus of our lesson today. Unpivot column. Open this arrow, then we can have three options. First one is unpivot columns, right? If suppose we have two or three columns selected, you can click here. Unpivot other columns means selected column is this. Whatever is remaining, it will be unpivot. This is not the requirement. We have to apply unpivot on the selected column. So we are not going to use second option. Third one is unpivot only selected columns. So this is my selected column. Either you can click on the first one or the last one. You can have the same results. In the previous version, we had only two options, first and second, but now this is the latest version. We have three options. So I am going to click third one. So see what will happen now. The operation you can see here in the applied steps, we did unpivot only selected columns, and we have now population male, and values are here. That is great, but we do not want only male. We want also the female number should come here, and the female, this column should convert into rows. So what we have to do, the simplest way is just delete this. This is the undo operation, right? But I will give you homework, very easy homework. What we did here, in order to make these columns, I click on unpivot selected columns, right? So the opposite of the unpivot is pivot columns. You have to click on pivot columns. It will go back to the original population male. This is your homework you have to do, and it is very easy. If you cannot perform, then you can ask me. I will definitely help you. I am going to undo the operation from here. If I will remove this, you will see again we have population female and population male. This column is again here. So actually we want to make the rows of population male and female. That is why you have to select both column, plus press shift and hold, and both columns are now selected. Do the same operation, open this either first or last. So this time I am going to click here, so you can see that both will perform the same functions. Now we have population male, population female, population male, population female, right? And it is grouped here from 0 to 4 years, population males, population female, and so on. We have increased the number of rows in this way. On the other hand, we have decreased the number of columns, right? So now I'm going to change the column name. Just double click here, and this is the value. This is fine, right? Now what is the next step? We will meet in the next lesson. Meanwhile, you have to practice it, and this is your homework. You have to do your homework in this lesson, because the opposite of unpivot is pivot. Actually, whatever you did, the same thing will come up back. This is your homework. Subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.